Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Ganka Sarathi. So, in our previous video, we have discussed about the basic proportionality theorem model problems, right? In this video, I am going to discuss the similarity condition which we will use in the problems and also some basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Now, see the problem which is on the board. See here in the given figure, ADE, angle ADE is equal to angle B. I have marked already angle ADE is equal to angle B. What we have to prove first? See the first proof in triangle. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Means we have to prove ABC and ADE are similar. Okay. So see the first proof. In triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Already he is giving one angle. What is that angle? Angle ADE is equal to angle B. Already it is given, right? And in triangle ABC and triangle AED, one common angle is there. What is the common angle? A, right? Angle A is equal to angle A is the common angle. By angle similarity we can prove. What is that? By, or else we can take another angle. Okay, by angle similarity. By angle similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. So we have proven the first one proof is completed, right? Next, second one. What is second one? He is giving some centimeters. First substitute that AD is equal to how much? 3.8 centimeters. AE is equal to 3.6 centimeters. BE is equal to 2.1 centimeters. BC is equal to 4.2. We have to find DE. Okay, we have to find the value of DE. How we will find? We know that if two triangles are similar, then the angles are equal and sides will be in proportion, right? I have discussed in my first video of similar triangle. If two triangles are similar, then the angles are equal and the sides will be in proportion. We know, we have already proved that in the first case, triangle ABC and triangle ADE are similar, then the sides will be in proportion. What are the proportion sides? Sides are in proportion. What are the proportion sides? Tell me. See here. When you are marking proportion sides, be careful. Okay. If you are taking a small triangle first, start with small triangle and end with small triangle, end with big triangle. Okay. Like that only you do. See here. What is a small triangle here? Starting with ADE is a small triangle, ABC is a big triangle, right? I am starting with small triangle. So sides AD by AB. Why I am taking AD? We know that angle D and angle B are equal. So AD, okay, and AB. These two sides will be in proportion. AD by AB is equal to small triangle again. AE by big triangle AC is equal to remaining is small triangle DE by big triangle BC. Understood? When you are taking the proportion sides, first what you have taken small, in the next case also you will take small, big, like that. Okay, don't change the order. Next, what is the value of AD? What is the value of AD? AD is so first of all, see here, we want only AD by AB, DE by BC, right? We don't want AE by AC, right? AE by AC is not needed, but because we have to find the value of DE, right? We will take what? AD by AB is equal to DE by BC. What is AD value? 3.8. AB value, add this 3.6 plus 2.1. How much? 5.7, right? 5.7 is equal to DE value we have to find. Keep DE as DE only. BC value is 4.2. What you should do? Do cross multiplication. Before doing cross multiplication, okay, do cross multiplication first. 5.7 into DE is equal to 3.8 into 4.2. Right. So now find DE. DE is equal to 3.8 into 4.2 by 5.7. So how we can find the value of D? In 19 table you can find, right? 19 2s are 38 and 19 3s are 57. So here 5.7 is there. So how we can write? 19 0.30, 19 0.20. Okay. Now DE is equal to 2. You can write as 2 by 10 into 4.2 into this one is 3 by 10. 3 by 10 will become to numerator will become 10 by 3. 10 and 10 cancel. 3 1s are 3, 1.20, right? Sorry, 1.40. 1.40. 3 into 1.4 will be 4.2. So 2 into 1.4. 2 into 1.4. 2 into 1.4 is 2.8 centimeters. So what is the value of D? 2.8 centimeters. Understood the cancellation? 19 table, 19 3s are 57. Here point is there, so you give 0.3. 19 0.3 is 5.7. 19 0.2 is 3.8. So do the cancellation. At last, what is the answer? DE is equal to 2.8 centimeters. Now let us move on to next problem. Now see the problem which is on the board. This is very important model. Just listen carefully. See here, in the given figure, AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF. This is the figure. Given some dimensions are given. What we have to find? We have to find the values of X and Y. First substitute that values in the figure. AB is equal to 7.5. Next, DC is equal to Y. DC is Y centimeters. EF is 4.5. Next, BC. BC is X centimeters. Right. That are the given values. Now, see here. So see, CF is equal to 3 centimeters. Now we have to find the values of X and Y. Okay. So now, for finding values from the figure, I am taking in triangle. I am taking these two triangles. Okay. What are the two triangles? In triangle ABC and triangle CEF. Okay. Triangle ABC and triangle CEF. We will find the value of X. So how we will find the value of X? First we have to equate the angles. What are the angles? See here. Angle. How these two angles are? See these two angles. If this is a transversal line, these two are vertically opposite angles. Right. So we can write angle A is equal to angle E. They are vertically opposite angles. Next what angle? You can take these two, angle B and angle F. Angle B is equal to angle F. They are also same. Okay. Next you can take these two angles. What is it? Angle ACB is equal to angle ACB is equal to ECF. Okay. This is also vertically opposite angles. So by angle similarity, we have proved that what are the two triangles? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ECF, EFC. Okay, EFC. ABC is similar to EFC or CF. Next, so this is a similarity. Now similarity is proved. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove the sides are in proportion. We know that in similar triangles, if angles are equal, sides will be in proportion. So what are the proportion sides? See, I am taking the proportion sides. I am starting with this triangle AB by, here what is the proportion side? EF is equal to BC by CF is equal to AC by CE. So there is no need of this AC by CE. You only want these two. Substitute the values and find the value of X. What is AB value? 7.5. What is EF value? 4.5. What is BC value? X. CF value is 3. So do cross multiplication. What you will get? X is equal 4.5 into X is equal to 7.5 into 3. Then X will be equal to 7.5 into 3 by 4.5. Cancel this. In which table you can cancel it? 15 table, right? 15 0.3 is 4.5. 15, 0.5 is 7.5, right? So x is equal to 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 into 3. This one 3 by 10 will come into numerator, 10 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled, 10 and 10 gets cancelled. X is equal to how much? 5. So what is the value of x we got here? 5. Understood all of you? This is the value of x. Now we will find the value of y. For finding the value of y, we will take another two triangles. What are the two triangles? See here. See, for finding the values of y, take these two triangles, triangle BDC and triangle BEF. In triangles BDC and triangles BDC and BEF. BDC and BEF. So it's same. First you prove the angles which are equal. We know that angle B is the common angle. Angle B is equal to angle B. That is common. And angle BDC is equal to angle BEF. Right. Angle BDC is equal to angle BEF. Corresponding angles. Corresponding means in the same place. Right. Next. Right, you can take these two, right? By angle similarity, the two triangles are similar. What are the two triangles? Triangle BDC is similar to triangle BEF. If the two triangles are similar, then angles will be equal, sides will be in proportion. So take the sides which are in proportion in order to find the value of y. Okay. Now I am taking first small triangle, next afterwards big triangle. First BDC. In BDC, BD is one side, BD by BE, right? BD by, in big triangle, BE, right? BD by BE is equal to CD by FE. CD by FE is equal to BC by BF. Okay, BC by BF. BC by BF. So we don't need this one, BD and BE, because no values are there, so don't need. Take these two. What is the value of CD? CD value is y. What is the value of FE? FE value is 4.5 is equal to BC is what? X. BF is x plus 3. Total value, right? X plus 3. So we know the value of x. What is the value of x we got? 5, right? Substitute that one. Y by 4.5 is equal to x value is 5 by 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 means what? 8. So do again cross multiplication. So what you will get? 8 into y is equal to 5 into 4.5. Y is equal to 5 into 4.5. You can multiply this one. 5 5 is a 25. 5 4 is a 20. 22.5 by 8. Cancel this one. 8 2s are how much? 16, right? 8 2s are is 16. What is the balance? 6. If you keep point, it will become 65. 65 means 8 8s are 64. Again, what is the balance? 1. So it will be 10. 8 1s are 8. Again, what is the balance? 2 means 20. 20 means 8 2s are 16. Next, from 20, 16 means what is the balance? 4 means 40. 8 5s are 40. So what is the value of y we got? 2.8125 centimeters. Understood all of you? So whenever you are doing the problems, first see why I am taking first these two triangles, because here x is there. Next, why I am taking these two triangles, here y is there. You can take these two also, but we are not taking y because we don't know the values of CE and AC. So there is no use by taking these two. So that's why the two triangles. Now let us move on to next problem. See, a girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamppost. Okay, so now think this is the lamppost. A girl is walking away from the base of lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. So a girl is walking from here at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. Next, girl height. What is the height of girl? Height of girl is 90 centimeters. If the lamppost is 3.6 centimeters above the ground, 3.6 meters this one, okay, not centimeters, 3.6 meters. Lamppost height is 3.6 meters. Next, a girl is walking 1.2 meters per second from the base of the lamp post. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, the girl height is 90 centimeters, right? 90 centimeters, and we have to find the shadow. If the girl is standing like this, the shadow will be straight, right? Means the girl is this one, shadow will be this one. Okay. Now, from the base of lamp post, she is walking at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. We have to find length after 4 seconds. Means 1.2 meters per second means 1.2 into 4, 4.8 meters. So, how much distance she has walked? 4.8 meters. Now we have to find the length of her shadow. Okay. So A, B, C and D you can take like this. Understood? So we have to find the value of X. Okay. So now girl's length means this will be 90 and this will lamp post means this will also be 90 degrees, right? So convert all the meters into centimeters. 3.6 meters means you can take 3.6. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 3.6 meters means 3.6 meters means 360 centimeters. This one is 480. I will write here. Okay. Now see, length of lamp post. Length of lamp post is 3.6 meters. That will be 360 centimeters. And distance walked by girl is how much? 1.2 meters per second. So how many after how many seconds? After 4 seconds. So 1.2 into 4, 4.8 meters. 4.8 meters means 480 centimeters. Okay. Now we have to find the value of a shadow. What is the shadow? Means if this is the girl's height after 4 seconds, then what is the shadow? Shadow will be AB. So length of shadow we have to find. For finding length of shadow, take similarity theorem, similar conditions. See, this is a small triangle and this is a big triangle. First, in triangle ABC and triangle ACD, in triangle ABC and ACD, you have to prove the similarity first. How you will prove the similarity? See, sorry, ABE. Here I am not writing, ABE and ACD, right? AB and ACD, we should find the similar condition, right? So we know that angle A is common in both the triangles, right? So you can take angle A is equal to angle A, that is common. And we know that girl's height and the lamp post will be straight. Definitely it is 90 degrees. So angle B is equal to angle C. That is how many degrees? 90 degrees. By angle similarity, the two triangles are similar. What is the triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACD. Right. Now, if the angles are equal and it is similarity, then the sides are in proportion. So take the sides which are in proportion. So see, what are the sides proportion? First I am starting from the small triangle AB. Okay, AB by in big triangle AC is equal to BE in big triangle CD is equal to AE in big triangle AD. So there is no need of AE and AD. No values are there in that. Okay, take these two. What is value of AB? X. What is the value of AC? AC means X plus 4.8. 4.8 means 480 centimeters. So you can write X plus 480. X plus 480 is equal to BE. What is the value of BE? 90 by what is the value of CD? CD is 360. Got it? Now 91s are 90, 94s are 360. Do cross multiplication. 4 into x will give you what? 4x is equal to x plus 480 into 1 will be x plus 480. Make this plus x to the left hand side. 4x minus x is equal to 480. 4x minus x, 3x is equal to 480. X is equal to 480 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 160 is there, right? 3 16s are 18. X is equal to how much? 160 centimeters. If you are asking in meters, then you can write what? X is equal to 1.6 meters. So what is the length of girl's shadow after 4 seconds? 1.6 meters. Okay. Now let us move on to Next problem. Now see the problem which is on the board. Given the triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. Already he is saying that ABC and PQR are similar. Now CM and RN are the medians of the triangle. CM and RN are the medians exactly. It will be bisecting into two halves. Okay. Now prove that. We have to prove these three. First, see the first proof. What is the first proof? Triangle ABC should be similar to triangle PNR. ABC and AMC. Triangle AMC is similar to PNR. AMC PNR. So we already know that what is the given condition? ABC is similar to PQR means sides will be in proportion and angles are equal. Okay. First see the angles which are equal. Angle A and angle P are equal. Angle A is equal to angle P. And what are the sides of the total triangles? AC and PR are equal. No? AC by PR is equal to, can we write AC by PR are equal to AM by PN? AM by PN. How? What is the condition? We know that AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. According to the similarity condition, sides are in proportion. If you make AB by PQ into half AB by half PQ. Half AB by half PQ means half AB means AM, half PQ means PN, right? That is the condition. So by which, how many, what we have to put? By side angle side similarity, triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. That's it. Understood? So this is the first proof. Now move on to the second one. See second one. CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. Now see, in the first proof what we have proved already, these two are similar, right? AMC and PNR. What are the conditions? You know, AC by PR is equal to AM by PN is equal to CM by RN. The another ratio will be, another corresponding proportion will be that only, right? CM by RN. Now see here, we have to prove CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. Now take these two. CM by RN is equal to AM by PN. So multiply both numerator and denominator which is on the right hand side by 2. Why? If you get cancelled, you will be getting the same. AM into 2 means if you make AM 2 times, what you will get? AB. If you make PN 2 times, what you will get? PQ, because it is the midpoint, right? So into 2 or plus 2 will be same. Okay. Into 2 will be into 2 or AM plus AM will be same. Okay. CM by RN is equal to AM into 2 means what? AB. PN into 2 means what? PQ. That is our proof of second one. Understood all of you? Proof of second one. Next, what is third one? See third one. CMB should be similar to triangle RNQ. CMB is similar to RNQ. CMB means we already know that in the first condition ABC is similar to PQR. So we can write BC and QR are the proportion sides and angle B and angle Q are equal. That is given, okay, and BC by QR is equal to, BC by QR is equal to, can we write BM by QN? Yes, already I have given the first condition like this only. AC by PR is AB by PQ. In the same way, BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ, half into AB by half into PQ. Half into AB means you can write MB or BM. Next, half into PQ means you can write NQ or QN. So by side angle side similarity, two sides and one angle similarity, what you can write? Triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. Understood all of you? So this is the kind you should follow, and remember that whenever you are doing the proportion, first you see the condition. What is the condition is given, with that only we are proving all these things. Okay, now let us move on to the last problem. Now see the problem which is on the board. So see, we have AB, CD and PQ are the perpendiculars. AB, CD and PQ are the perpendiculars to BD. Okay. Now AB is equal to X, CD is equal to Y and PQ is equal to Z. Is given. We have to prove 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. Now from the figure I am taking two triangles. First in this place you see triangle ABD and triangle PQD. Take small triangle, triangle PQD and triangle ABD. PQD, ABD. Similarly, we have to prove, means we know that angle PQD is equal to angle ABD, right? This is 90 degrees. Angle PQD is equal to ABD, they are 90. And what you can say, angle A, angle P and angle A are corresponding, right? Corresponding. Okay, so by angle similarity, what you can say, two triangles are similar. What are the two triangles? Triangle PQD is similar to triangle ABD. Okay, if two triangles are similar and angles are equal, then sides will be in proportion. What are the sides which are in proportion? See the sides which are in proportion. From small triangle you take PQ by AB is equal to PQ by AB is equal to QD by, in big triangle, PD is equal to, now in at last, PD by AD. PD by AD. So now we don't need of this one, so this one will be our first equation. Okay, now move to the second equation. How we will find second? This side is completed, move on to the right hand side. So in triangle, see here also you can find two triangles, BQP, BDC, two triangles, okay, BQP and BDC. In triangle BQP and triangle BDC, the same process continues here. Angle Q and angle D are right angles, right? Angle BQP is equal to angle BDC, that is how many degrees? 90 degrees. Okay, next you can say angle P and angle C are corresponding angles. So by again what you can do, by angle similarity, by angle similarity, two triangles are similar. What are the two triangles? Triangle BQP is similar to triangle BDC. Okay, if triangles are similar and their angles are equal, sides will be in proportion. From small triangle you take, okay, PQ by CD, this way, PQ by CD is equal to small triangle BQ by BD is equal to, remaining side is BP by BC. No, we don't want this one because no sides are there in that. So this one will be our second equation. Now what we have to do? By adding equation 1 and equation 2. See here, by adding equation 1 and 2. So LHS side, add LHS part LHS side to, and RHS part to the RHS side, means PQ by AB plus PQ by CD is equal to QD by BD plus BQ by BD. Okay, understood. LHS part, add LHS side, RHS to the RHS. Now see, so here you can take PQ as common. If you take PQ as common, 1 by AB plus 1 by CD, right? PQ will be common. Here LCM is what? BD, and here QD plus BQ. PQ value is what? PQ value is Z into 1 by AB value is what? AB is X plus CD value is what? Y. QD plus BQ. QD plus BQ means total line will be BD. BD by BD. You can cancel BD and BD. So Z into 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1. If the Z will be going to right hand side, what it will become? 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. Okay. So These are the problems related to basic proportionality theorem, and we are using similarity of triangles, criterion of similarity, right? Now, in my next video, I am going to discuss about one theorem, ratio of area of two similar triangles. Okay, we are going to discuss that theorem. So, thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Ganitha Sarathi. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.